Honestly, I tell. I'm showing you how to create one that you'll actually follow. Step 1. Stop planning your perfect day. Plan your read day. Today, work your plan and set time. Step 2. You don't need try to 8 hours of studying every day. Start with 2 to 3 hours. Afternoon studying, evening studying, keep it. Realize so you stay consistent. Step 3. Used to 45 minutes studying and 15 minutes break. It's a perfect method. Step 4. Add flexibility. Flexible timetable is one you'll actually stick to. Step 5. Make it visible. Don't show how you studying and intelligence. Write your timetable somewhere you'll see every day. Your phone, your wall, your notebook anyway. Step 6. Review and adjust. After a few days, what worked? What didn't, then fix it. Your timetable should grow with you. Remember, a simple timetable you follow is better. This video helps to you. Watching more videos, like and subscribe my channel heart.